Welcome everyone. In ITIL version 3, we used to focus heavily on processes, but in ITILv4, the focus shifted from processes to the value. Today, we are going to understand one of the most important concepts in ITILv4, the service value systems, also known as SVS. If you truly understand SVS, you understand ITIL version 4. So let's break it down in a simple and practical way. What is the service value system or SVS? The service value system describes how all the components and activities of an organization work together to enable value creation through IT-enabled services. In simple words, SVS converts demand into a value. It ensures that every activity in IT aligns with business objectives and customer outcomes. It is not about isolated excellence. It is about integration and collaboration. Remember this line for your exam. SVS is an interconnected set of elements that work together to facilitate value creation. Now, we will try to understand the components of SVS so that we'll be able to better understand this concept. So, there are 5 components in SVS. The first one is guiding principle. Second one is governance. Third one is service value chain, then practices, and then continual improvement. The 5th term I have told you right now, that continual improvement. This is one of the terms which you are going to listen every point of time, every every stage of your work wherever you are working right now. So first, guiding principles we are starting now. So these are universal recommendations that guide an organization in all circumstances. There are 7 guiding principles in ITILv4. First, focus on value. Start where you are. So whatever you are having in your hand, you can start from there. Progress iteratively with feedback. So whatever the steps you have done, just go ahead, discuss with the people, get an iterative feedback, and keep on working on to those things. Collaborate and promote visibility. Collaboration is important because IT is not run by only one team or one person. It's a group of people who are trying to work and control the environment. Think and work holistically. Keep it simple and practical. So anything, whatever you are doing, just make it self-explanatory. It will be better understood by your teammates so that they can be able to work on it practically. Optimize and automate. So nowadays there are plenty of things. Automation comes in picture with AI and a lot of other tools. So just try to see that if you are having a big process which you are taking for 10 steps, if it is better, you can reduce it to 8 steps, then 7 steps. Then if possible, you can try to automate it. So it will ease your environment. It will make you easy. For example, focus on a value means every activity must contribute to customer outcomes. If an activity does not create a value, question it. What is going wrong with that? Guiding principle influence all components of the SVS. Now second comes governance. So governance ensures that the organization is directed and controlled properly. It evaluates, directs, and monitors performance. In simple words, leadership sets directions, policies are defined, compliance is ensured, performance is reviewed. Governance ensures we are doing the right things in the right way for the right outcomes. It sits at the top level of SVS structure. Now, what I said, leadership sets directions, policies are defined, compliance is ensured, performance is reviewed. So these are the tasks of your leadership or from your management. Your lead will do this, your managers will do this. They'll guide you, they'll give you the policies, they'll give you the compliance, they will check the compliance if it is working good or not. So everything, every act of yours is going to help and checked so that it will be properly created and worked on. Now, the third term comes in, which is called as service value chain. So service value chain is the core engine of SVS system. This is the operating model of ITILv4. The service value chain transforms demand into values. It consists of 6 activities: plan, improve, engage, design, and transition. Obtain, build, deliver, and support. Now, gradually, so plan, improve, engage, design and transition, obtain and build, deliver and support. So you should plan something, you can keep on improving it, engaging the team members, designing some new processes, transitioning it to your teammates, obtain the results, deliver the supports. If whatever the service you have provided, you can deliver the supports to those as well. Demand comes from customers. Engage captures requirements. Design and transition builds solutions. Obtain and build develops components. Deliver and support operates the service. Improve enhances everything. Key point: the service value chain is flexible. It is not linear like ITILv3 life cycle. So when we talk about linear or so in that case, there is a process, there is a system, it's a practice which is linearly designed that you can be able to achieve something. Then comes the fourth part of this SVS system, which is practices. Practices, in cases of V3, we had processes. Now we have practices. It is quite similar a bit, but there are plenty of other things. Practices are sets of organizational resources designed for performing work or accomplishing objectives. There are 34 ITIL practices grouped into 3 different parts: general management processes, service management practices, technical management practices. Examples: incident management, change management, service desk, problem management, service level management. So this all thing comes under ITSM, which we called as infrastructure technology service management. Practices provide the tools and capabilities needed to run or support the service value chain. Now, incident management is there, change management is there, service desk is there, problem management is there. So these topics we will cover it in further coming lectures. As of now, we will move ahead with the continual improvement, the 5th part of SVS. Now, what continual improvement does or what it means exactly. This ensures the organization continuously aligns services with the changing business needs. ITILv4 provides a 7-step improvement model, which helps us to understand and improve our technology, our processes. What is the vision? What you want to achieve? Where you want to go actually? Where are we now? How far we are with our goals? Where do we want to go? What is your goal? What you want to achieve out of this? How do we get there? The plan, the technology, actions, how you are going to take the action onto it. Did we get there? So you need to keep a check on your process, on your work, that are you reaching out there what you wanted? How do we keep the moment? So when you start evaluating your processes, when you start evaluating your work, you will be able to understand that how far you have come and how far you have to go still to achieve your goals. Now, important part, continual improvement supports every part of service value chain system. How all components work together. Now, we need to understand that how all components collaboratively work, all these 5 components, and what you are achieving out of it. Now bring it all together. Success in ITILv4 does not depend on individual excellence. As we all know and understand that it's any process or any practices or any work is not achievable without the collaboration of your team. It depends on integration, guiding principle, guiding decisions, governance sets directions, service value chain performs activities, practices, provide resources, continual improvement ensures the optimization as well. So these are the reason that you need to collaboratively work on to those things. So if we consider or understand, try to understand about this, so you have a exam-oriented summary for that. Remember, SVS ensures co-creation of value. Service value chain replaces service life cycle. 5 components of SVS it holds: which are we have understood: guiding principles, governance, service value chain, practices, and continual improvement. 6 activities we have in service value chain, 7 guiding principles we have. Now, most of the exam questions understands the integration or understanding the integration of these terms, role of value creation, relationship between components. So these are the type of topics they can twist and ask you the questions in the exams. So guys, I think this is what we had right now, and after that we will have some different topics in the different lectures. So if you understand SVS, you understand how modern IT organizations create value. ITIL4 is not about processes anymore. It is about collaboration, flexibility, and continuous value delivery. And the service value system is the heart of IT. So this is what you would have understand. I hope I was able to make you understand. And in the next session, we will deep dive into the service value chain in detail, where we'll be having some more details of these lectures. So guys, don't forget to follow me and to subscribe the channel for the next lectures, which I'm going to post soon on this channel. So thank you very much for your support and for your understanding. And the followers, whoever is following me, thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.